Sales increasing, profit declining. Why that is happening, first of all? When sales increase, profit should also increase, right? Why that is happening? Is it because they are underpricing? Or there is a rising cost? Or is it like they are making fictitious sales? So whenever you see there's an increase in sale and declining profit, you got to understand what is the reason. And whenever you see this higher other income, it means what? They are not making money from their core business. They are dependent on other income for reporting profits, and that is a weak business model. And if you see the extraordinary items, exceptional items coming again and again, it means through their normal operations, they are not able to report profit. So they are trying to make or report profit through extraordinary or exceptional items. Be careful. Number 4, look at their interest cost. Look at their interest cost and see whether the interest cost is eating away the profit. That is, operating profit before interest is too good, but profit after interest is too thin. It means what? Profits are eaten by interest. It means that entity is highly levered. Then pay full attention to this. The discrepancy between the profit and operating cash flow. Business is making a lot of profit, but those profits are not converted into cash. Why it is not converted into cash? Most of the profit that were seen are only book sales. Most of them are still credit sales only. The customers are not paying. So if a business is unable to convert its profit into cash, at least to the extent of 60%, then that means they have poor cash flow model. And those businesses will always be bleeding. Okay, so check for that. And see whether the gross margins are volatile. See, gross margin should not fluctuate. Because I told you, the EBITDA margin is actually given by the industry. That should not be fluctuating. If that is fluctuating, then there is a stress on the margins. Take care. And check the depreciation. If the depreciation level is very low, it means they are doing some kind of underreporting of expenses. Maybe they are intentionally trying to inflate the profit. Check for that. And look at this. If there is going to be a mismatch between the sales growth and debtors, okay? Let's say the sales are increasing. Normally the sales and debtors, the relationship, let's say it's like 45 days. But now the sales has increased substantially and debtors level has increased to, let's say, 75 days, 90 days. Why did that happen? When sales increased, the debtor should be maintained at 45 days, no? Why it is going to 60 days, 90 days? It means those debtors are not getting converted as cash. Are they fictitious sales? Check for that. And watch this. If the EBITDA margin is declining, if it is negative, the core business is not worth doing. Okay. If the EBITDA margin is negative or if it is declining, the core operations itself is unprofitable. So it is better they don't do this business. And finally, the tax provision. If it is unusually low, okay, if it is unusually low, then the possibility is manipulations. The possibility is future tax disputes. Okay, so all this can happen or arise in future.
Thank you for watching this webinar. I am sure you have derived value from this webinar. And if you wish to learn more, I have some good opportunity for you. What is that? Check out.
It is this. Credit and Financial Analysis Mastery course exclusively designed for bankers and for those who want to have bankers' point of view. This is a course which we have developed after a detailed analysis, a thorough discussion with several hundreds of bankers and finance professionals. We have identified what is their exact requirement when it comes to SME and corporate credit and financial analysis. In this mastery bundle, I'm going to give you access to various courses. To start with, we have course number 1, Basics of Credit Analysis. In this course, we have explained the basics of credit analysis through various sections, section 1 to 9. Next comes course number 2, that is how to read balance sheet. In this course, we have explained what is balance sheet, how to read them, how to approach them by using real life financial statements. Then comes course number 3, how to do financial ratio analysis like a banker. In this course, we have explained all critical ratios that are analyzed by the bankers, and we have also explained through case studies. Then we have course number 4, how to do cash flow analysis. So through this course you will understand what is cash flow analysis, how to do a typical cash flow analysis. We have used case studies, and reference to Ind AS is also included in this course. Then we have course number 5, that is how to do fund flow analysis. This is a critical financial analysis tool, and in this course you will learn what is fund flow statement, how to analyze them from banker's angle, how to prepare fund flow statement from academic angle as well. So overall 5 courses, each 1499. So aggregate price should be 7495, but you are not going to pay that. For you it's just rupees 2499 for 1 year access, or rupees 4999 for lifetime access. And it is not yet over, you have some more bonus. Bonus is course number 6, how to carry out credit risk rating for non-trading entities. These are all the topics covered in this course. Then course number 7, it is how to carry out credit risk rating for trading entities. Not yet over, you also have access to course number 8, that is how to prepare CMA report for bank loans. It's a comprehensive course which will run for 8 plus 5 hours, and you will learn entire CMA report preparation process. And course number 9, how to prepare cash budget for bank loans. Course number 10, how to assess fund-based working capital. So in this course you will understand what is working capital, what are working capital credit facilities and how to assess them, what are the key ratios that are related to working capital, and what are the additional key analysis that will be done by bankers on working capital matters. You will get a comprehensive understanding of cash credit, export finance, and there are certain on-demand videos as well. So 5 plus 5, 10 courses of value close to 15,000 rupees, but you are going to get it for 1 year access rupees 2499, lifetime access rupees 4999. Not yet over. You are going to get access to the 11th course, how to assess non-fund based credit facility. So in this course you will learn about letter of credit, bank guarantee, its assessment as well. Then comes course number 12, how to do term loan appraisal and assessment, because it's a complex process with a lot many technicalities. So this course covers all in detail. And course number 13, basic elements of loan proposal. So how a typical loan proposal will be, what are the basic elements that are covered in this course. And we have course number 14, case study on credit analysis. Various case studies based on practical experience and discussion with various bankers and finance professionals are included in this course. And course number 15, this is about collateral securities, where you get knowledge about collateral securities. So overall it's 15 courses of value close to 22,485. It's 1,000 plus lectures. You can subscribe for 1 year access or lifetime access as you wish. These are all pre-recorded courses, so you can access them anytime as per your convenience. You can access them in mobile app or desktop, and for you the price is not 22,485, it is rather 2,499 for 1 year access or 4,999 for lifetime access. You can check the link in description, where without using any discount coupon code you can enroll at this discounted price, because it's a discount applied link. And not yet over, you're also eligible for some more bonus. The bonus is access to various ebooks and e-resources. You are going to get access to various financial ratios ebooks, financial management related ebooks. You will get access to financial analysis related ebooks, credit analysis ebooks. Not yet over. You will also get access to other resources like test series, templates, audiobooks, video books, career guidance material, and a bonus resource. Check the link in description and enroll now.